Okay, so we actually have some stuff we gotta do on the Mini Cooper here. I only have a minute and a half, so I gotta talk fast. So this hose for the coolant return line for the top of the turbo, that needs to be replaced. Also, this diverter spacer valve, or the diverter spacer for the diverter valve, that needs to be taken out because I thought that was causing the boost plausibility error I keep getting after I shift from 5 to 6,000 RPM, and you pull really hard and it didn't fix it. But more on that later. So this is the just part of the hose. When you buy this whole thing, you get the entire hard line to the soft line, to the top of the turbo, that hard line for the coolant, and then up to the thermostat housing. But I only needed this part because the O-ring, as you can see, that pops into the bottom of the coolant reservoir. There's a tiny little clip there, and that part just broke. I already kind of did a bandaid fix on this, but it doesn't, it's not a permanent fix, and it kept coming off and coolant kept spilling. So that is the only way to fix it, is replace that whole line there. Put on the rest of the overflow hose for the radiator, and then turbo inlet for the intake. Tighten that bad boy up. Put a little bit of coolant in. I have to bleed it now since there's air in the system, so turn the car on. You can't overheat your engine since you're not at operating temperature yet, so turn it on, let that, this little bleeder valve there, with that screw you saw, open it up, let it run, let the air come out, and you're all set to go. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.